Hi everyone, this is Purti, first year medical students in Samajana, Karnataka. Let's go for a morning walk. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು 6 o'clockಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಆಚೆ ವಾಕಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಎದ್ದೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 3-4 ಡೇಸಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಗ್ರೀನರಿ ಥರ ಅಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕಲ್ಲು, ಅದರ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಕಲ್ಲು, ಏನು ಮರಗಳೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಸೋ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. So many people go for walk. It's currently 6:30. I woke up at 6 and then came for a walk by 6:30. You can see in my background how the weather looks. This is our Sims College building and that is our hospital. Basically, I'm a Navodaya student, so I was trained for 7 years to wake up at 5:30 and do exercise and all. We had 5:30 at PET. So when I came here, I used to get up so early and do some exercise and all. But in the middle of all the internal exams and all, and I also become lazy. So I stopped doing it. Green things you're seeing, right? This used to be rock and like there is no sign of life, something like that. But after it rained, it all looking so green. It's like my favorite kind of. Oh, it can't be so much. See here only. So this is our college. So quiet, right? And that's our hospital. It's so peaceful. I'm sitting like this here. Here. Yeah. It's good. That's our Sims hostel. It is girls hostel and this is doctors, and beside doctors hostel there is boys hostel. I'm disturbing them. I wanted to fly. It's gonna. Okay, that's it for today. I'm going back to hostel now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Back to hostel. I'll be continuing my video. Yeah.